Warmcel is installed via a fibre delivery system that can be located up to 50 metres from the area to be insulated. Often it is convenient for the installer to locate the fibre delivery system upon their vehicle. The Warmcel fibres are quickly and quietly blown to the installation via a delivery hose. The system can be set for a variety of application methods and must be primed with Warmcel fibres prior to the installation commencing. The machine prepares and delivers the insulation in a consistency correct for the application. Warmcel 500 is used to insulate walls. Water is used as the adhesive for damp spray. The nozzle is fitted to the delivery hose and a water supply is connected. The area to be insulated is dampened to provide adhesion, and the installation can begin. As the Warmcel fibres are delivered, a fine water spray provides ongoing adhesion. To complete the fill, the surface is finished and the surplus insulation collected and reused. Injection uses a porous membrane to create a cavity and is an alternative to damp spray when a water supply is not available. The cavity is filled using the delivery hose. Both installation methods provide a completely airtight void fill. When insulating a timber frame wall or roof cavity, the Warmcel is injected via a nozzle or lance. The turbo fill nozzle is used for wall cavities and is easily fitted to the delivery hose. The nozzle can be rotated for direction and the velocity of the delivery can be adjusted to ensure a complete airtight fill. A lance is used to fill warm roof cavities or voids. The lance is fitted to the delivery hose and simply inserted and directed to completely fill the void. To complete the installation, the fill hole is closed using a self-adhesive seal. Our demonstration unit shows how Warmcel provides an airtight, complete void fill. All types of lofts can be insulated using Warmcel 300. Care should be taken to maintain openings to eaves ventilator trays. The fibres are quickly and quietly blown to the area to be insulated, and the installation carried out to the required depth and corresponding U value. When large areas are to be insulated, a higher velocity fill may be desired. To allow an efficient high velocity fill, a conditioning unit can be installed to reduce the dust levels. This unit uses a fine spray of water to ensure a fast and efficient installation. To complete the installation, the surface can be levelled for appearance and the ventilation openings cleared if required. Warmcel insulation fibre truly is the ultimate sustainable insulation solution for walls, floors and roofs.